Hi friends, this is your ANR sir. So I have come up with a new problem for class 8th children. For class 8th children. What is that? To construct a quadrilateral when four sides and a diagonal is given. To construct a quadrilateral when four sides and a diagonal is given. So this is the question. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB is equal to 8 centimeters, BC is equal to 7.2 centimeters, CD is equal to 8.4 centimeters, AD is equal to 9.6 centimeters and AC is equal to 10 centimeters. So what I said, first we should draw a rough diagram. First we should draw a rough diagram. So this is your rough diagram. I have taken AB as base. What is the length? 8 centimeters. Next BC is given. So this is your quadrilateral CD. BC how much? 7.2. CD how much? 8.4. AD how much? 9.6. AC how much? 10 centimeters. So this is your rough diagram. This is your rough diagram. AB 8 centimeters, BC 7.2 centimeters, CD 8.4 centimeters, AD 9.6 centimeters and AC 10 centimeters. So first of all repeatedly I am telling, whenever you draw a construction or any diagram, the diagram should be in the middle of the page as far as possible. So 8 centimeters. So I measure 8 centimeters and I make 2 points and I join. As I said yesterday also, I am drawing this with the help of a pen in order to make you to see it clearly. But when you do in the exam, you should do it with the help of a pencil, not with a pen. Clear? Now BC is equal to how much? 7.2. So I measure 7.2. I measure 7.2. So this is your AB. This is your AB. What is its measure? 8 centimeters. And from B, I took an arc of size what? 7.2 centimeters. Clear? Now what is AC? AC is 10 centimeters. I take an arc of 10 centimeters. So from A, I cut it. Where there's these two arcs join, that is C. This point is what? C. I join AC and BC. What do? I join AC and BC. I join AC and BC. Clear? I join AC and BC. Now, CD is given how much? 8.4. CD is given how much? 8.4. So I take the measure of 8.4. and from here I take one arc 8.4. Here I take an arc 8.4. What is AD 9.6? I take the measure of another arc 9.6. From where? From A I take. Here it joined. So I mark that point. I join CD and AD. I join CD and AD. I join CD and AD. So what is BC? 7.2 centimeters. What is CD? CD is 8.4 centimeters. What is AD? 9.6 centimeters. So this ABCD quadrilateral is your required quadrilateral. So now you need to write the steps. You need to write the steps of your construction. So first step. What is the first step? A line segment of 8 centimeter is drawn. And named what? AB. Clear? What is the second step? From point B took an arc of 7.2 centimeters. What is the next step? What is the next step? Next step is from point A took an arc of 10 centimeters. Where these arcs met. Named the point what? C. Joined BC and AC. Now next, from point C, an arc of 8.4 centimeters drawn. Next step, from point A, an arc of 9.6 centimeters drawn. Where these arcs met. Named the point D. Joined what? CD and AD. So AB CD is required quadrilateral. Clear? Understood? So tomorrow again I come up with some more example. Till then, have a nice day and thank you for watching the video.